What innovations does the European Union intend to introduce to improve the safety of our cars and lorries? What novelties will we find in tomorrow's showrooms? The answer consists of 4 points. First, automobiles must evolve towards models with frontal designs that are safer for pedestrians and that include materials that can absorb more of the impact. Thanks to research, new features are being developed, like this windscreen mounted on a shock-absorbing frame.
The metal section will squash, and in squashing absorbs energy, so that not all the energy of the impact is taken by the pedestrian's head.
As a result, the pedestrian's head is hit by 2 to 3 times less energy in the collision. Simple and efficient. Another idea is the sandwich car bonnet. Inside there's a deformable structure capable of absorbing shocks, while outside there's a plate with pre-cut lining.
What this does is, on the first point of impact with the pedestrian head, it allows it to deform along predetermined points.
In case of impact, the panel cracks at predetermined spots, and all the energy is dissipated in the absorbing material underneath.
Children, victims most likely to impact upon it, especially in the front region, we're confident that this system could save children's lives.
Another advantage is the absence of reinforcement structures, which in a conventional bonnet are dangerous hard points. And what about an airbag for pedestrians? The prototype exists. If an accident occurs, the protective airbag stored under the bonnet inflates in just milliseconds. As it opens, it also raises the bonnet to move the pedestrian away from the motor block.
Zusätzlich wird diese Öffnung zwischen dem hinteren Teil der Motorhaube und der Scheibenwurzel abgedeckt. Und ein dritter Teil ist der Bereich des Airbags, der die A-Säule abdeckt und somit auch einen direkten Kontakt mit den harten A-Säulenteilen verhindern kann.
A second development, thanks to European legislation, is a more widespread use of driver assistance systems. One example is ESC, or Electronic Stability Control. This system automatically corrects the car's trajectory in case of a sudden swerve and thus keeps the vehicle from running off the road or overturning. From November 2012, ESC will gradually become mandatory for all new vehicles, heavy-duty vehicles, coaches and cars. Likewise, trajectory control and brake assist systems must be installed in new heavy-duty vehicles from November 2013. Third point, visibility. This concerns especially lorries, as blind spots in their rear-view mirrors cause many serious accidents. In certain angles, the trailer size and cabin height often prevent the driver from seeing what's directly to the side or in front of the vehicle. All lorries over 3.5 tons must now be fitted with blind spot mirrors.
Mensen die voor de vrachtwagen langs liepen, konden wij niet zien. Mensen die hier op dit punt stonden, konden wij niet zien. Terwijl dat we nu met die spiegel eigenlijk perfect die mensen kunnen bekijken.
Night visibility is also being improved. Another European decision will soon make retro-reflective markings on the outside of lorries and trailers mandatory throughout the European Union. And from February 2011, new vehicles will also be equipped with daytime running lights. To limit energy consumption, low-consumption diodes will be used. A special design will be adopted to make sure they can't be mistaken for motorcycle lights. Tyres are another issue. They are our only contact with the road. New standards will define minimum tyre performance requirements. It will also become easier to choose the right tyre. By 2012 at the latest, European labelling will inform all drivers about the exact performance of the tyres mounted on their cars. Vehicles that are safer for pedestrians, easier to see, safer to drive. The objective is clear: to save thousands of lives each year on Europe's roads.